Hey guys, Steve Backman here with Buy with Backman. Today I want to talk about the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. Check it out. This is where luxury meets utility. There's not a bad angle on this car. Check out those 21-inch wheels with tire fill alert. This car is equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 producing 305 horsepower. Mate that to a 9-speed automatic transmission and the advanced all-wheel drive system. This vehicle is capable of towing 4,500 pounds. The Blazer is packed with technology, from active noise cancellation to intelligent cruise control to HD surround vision monitor. You will be hard pressed to find a nicer vehicle in this category. It even has 7 airbags, including a knee airbag for the driver. Check out all the cameras this thing has on the HD surround vision. The all-new cargo management system is designed to secure your load no matter how small or large it may be. The hands-free liftgate with memory is one of my favorite options on this vehicle.